And we're going to have a look at the new appendix, private life. So this is a new appendix to the immigration rules, which came into force on the 20th of June, 2022. So where you may have been used to making your private life applications and referring to immigration rule 276 ADE, you now need to look at the new appendix, private life. So here's some extracts of the judgment. I put on this slide paragraphs 64 to 67 of Batul, and they look at Article 10 of the withdrawal agreement, and that in order to come within the scope of Part 2 of the withdrawal agreement and Article 18, a person asserting to be another family member must have applied for facilitation of entry and residence before the end of the transition period. And then in dealing with this question about whether you look at the singular or global approach, they refer to SM India and Raman. So look at the quote from SM India. In reality, people's circumstances, their lives and their lifestyles are not always quite so straightforward, and any attempt to draw a bright line between determining whether an applicant has a need for material support to meet his essential needs and whether his recourse to support, it being unnecessary to determine the reasons for that recourse, is best to consider not on the basis of hypothetical examples, but on a case-by-case basis with the benefit of clear and sufficient factual findings by the tribunal. And then they quote from Raman, it is incumbent upon the competent authority when undertaking that examination of the applicant's personal circumstances to take account of the various factors that may be relevant in the particular case. So what they say is, look at SM India, look at Raman, you've got to look at a case-by-case analysis rather than saying, well, in each case we look at a global or a singular approach. In each case, you look at a case-by-case analysis of particular circumstances.